1972. Today on the 6th of August 2024. Most years.
Damage iela 40, staircase 1 to 36.
In Imanta, one of the suburbs of Riga, Latvia. We're starting on the top floor.
Yeah.
But there's no floor 9.
Yeah.
Built in 1977. Possibly at the beginning of 1977 because Colosseum here is then 1976.
Yeah. And there's an empty floor between floors 1 and 2 here.
Yeah. I love the sunset smell here.
Same here.
Hellbelly is still original.
Yeah.
Well, seems to be working alright, and the capacity is 4 plus 320 grams. I love it when there's a lot of 1970s original here, also from the Soviet era.
Yeah. It's did by Rodo and maintained by also now described as
But actually the machine sounds a bit like CMAC, like something like CMAC. I don't know why.
yeah. But it's not CMAC, of course.
No. Sometimes these ones can sound like some 90s CMAC,
Yeah.
but they are simple machines.
Yeah.
I've already taken pictures, I think. Could have a lamp indicator inside.
Yeah.
But the lamp indicators, they came only in the tall ones and only on the first floor usually.
Yeah. But some of them have it inside, but yeah, it's just
have.
yes.
But that's rare.
Yeah, only one manufacturer, but I forgot the name, but I have to check it. That's